Welcome to HealthSource. Today's topic, how to choose a chiropractor. A chiropractor is well versed in using drug-free methods to treat painful conditions of the musculoskeletal system. For this reason, more and more people are seeking chiropractic treatment as an alternative to conventional practitioner care for their aches and pains. Some of the most common conditions a chiropractor treats include herniated disc, sciatica, low back pain, muscle spasms, back injuries, postural alignment problems, and neck pain. Chiropractors use a number of natural methods such as hydrotherapy, soft tissue manipulation, spinal decompression, massage, ultrasound, and acupuncture to treat these conditions. If you've never had experience with a chiropractor, you may have preconceived notions about how qualified he is to treat your back. But there's no need for concern. Chiropractors are professionally trained to carry out their job duties. Chiropractors are required to undergo 2 to 4 years of undergraduate training and then complete a number of chiropractic courses at an accredited chiropractic college. And before a chiropractor can legally open a practice and perform services on clients, he must pass a national and state exam. Most chiropractors operate legally and have a bevy of knowledge about treating conditions of the spine. But just like any other profession, there are a few unqualified quacks operating without the proper certifications or know-how. These are the types of individuals you want to avoid. So the same care you take when choosing a pediatrician for your child should be taken when selecting a chiropractor. Ask friends and family for referrals. Back pain is one of the most common ailments people suffer from, so chances are you have friends, family members, or colleagues who have used a chiropractor. You can save yourself a lot of hassle by asking for referrals. But don't just take your friend's word about how good a chiropractor is. Always do your own homework. Ask the right questions. Don't be afraid to ask your potential chiropractor how much experience he has treating patients with conditions similar to yours. All new-to-the-field chiropractors have to start somewhere. But if you have major back problems, choose a chiropractor who has the most experience and hands-on training. Some other questions to ask a potential chiropractor include what type of techniques he uses to treat conditions similar to yours, why he chooses to use certain techniques, does he use instruments or hands to carry out manipulation techniques. Check the chiropractor's credentials. Before you allow a chiropractor to touch your back, contact the local board of chiropractors to find out if the potential chiropractor is operating with a legitimate license and to also see if he has had any complaints filed against him. Because of varied philosophies and techniques, you may run into a situation where a chiropractor is highly qualified, but he may not be a good fit for you. If you find yourself in this situation, remember, you're not obligated to let anyone you're not comfortable with treat you. Finding a chiropractor you trust can be a chore, but by asking for referrals, checking out credentials, and asking the right questions, your task of selecting a top-notch chiropractor will be easier to do. For more information on topics like this, go to www.healthsourcechiro.com.